Today's topic is Mediterranean diet, everything you need to know. You might have heard about the Mediterranean diet, which has been declared the best diet by U.S. News & World Report for the 5th year in a row. Studies show that the diet can lead to a longer, healthier life, and people who follow the diet can't help but rave about the variety of foods they get to eat. A primary reason for that is how inclusive the Mediterranean diet is. It does not involve any restrictions and lets you eat until you are full. Plants form the foundation of this diet, which benefits you by 1. Improving body composition and reducing obesity. You will not just lose weight, but also protect yourself from diseases. 2. Reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and death from cardiovascular diseases. 3. Offsetting typical weight gain that you might experience once you cross the age of 40. 4. Helping control blood sugar and alleviating type 2 diabetes symptoms. Let's look at what you eat in a Mediterranean diet that makes it so beneficial for you. What can you eat in a Mediterranean diet? There are no restrictions on what you can eat in a Mediterranean diet, as long as you follow these principles. 1. Fill your diet with plant-based foods. The Mediterranean diet is plant-centric, and each meal you eat, it includes plant-based foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, pulses, nuts, whole grains, and seeds. 2. Shift to plant-based oils. The Mediterranean diet is known for its dependency on high-quality extra virgin olive oil, but other non-inflammatory plant-based fats such as avocados work as well. 3. Eat seafood at least twice a week. The seafood options you can go for include tuna, salmon, sardines, mussels, shrimps, and scallops. 4. Portion your dairy. People living in the Mediterranean love their yogurt and cheese, and you can eat them while following a Mediterranean diet. However, you must portion your dairy, which might mean that you'll have to eat less of it than you do now. 5. Reduce your sugar and refined grain intake. Both of these food items cause inflammation and oxidative stress, possibly leading to chronic health problems. Along with this, sugar and refined grains can also make you gain more weight than usual. 6. Eat less animal-based foods. While chicken and eggs are fine, you need to avoid red meat as much as possible. When you do eat red meat, make sure to surround it with plants. 7. Consume alcohol in moderation. Wine is a staple in Mediterranean life, but women should not have more than a 5-ounce glass per day, and men should not have more than 2 5-ounce glasses. 8. Make sure to get high-quality ingredients and food items. Mediterranean food is all about eating fresh and healthy, and poor quality ingredients are definitely not advisable for your health and taste.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.